Hey, welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log in to your Bing Ads account. If you don't already have a Bing Ads account, what you want to do is just go to bingads.microsoft.com, and from here you can log in. This is the main login page. You can learn more, or you can just sign up if you don't have an account yet. So just click here at sign up. From here, you're going to select your language. You're going to pick a username and password. Okay. There's a lot of people on Bing Ads and Yahoo, so you may have to try a couple times to pick a username that's unique. Then you're also going to select your security question, secret answer. Use your full name and make sure you use the email that you currently use right now, because they're going to send you instructions to activate your account through your email. You'll pick your currency, which if you're in the US like me, it'd be US dollar, and your time zone. And then if you want to, you can also pick your industry. And then if you don't want to hear from Microsoft about great deals and webinars and stuff like that, you can uncheck this box to not get put on their email list. And then just fill out the little captcha here. Click the terms and conditions, I agree. Then click submit, and you're good to go. And that's how you create your Bing account, and we'll see you in the next video.